Hello my fellow riders and welcome back to Riding Reviews. We've got something a little bit different for this video today. It's only going to be a short one, but anyway, today we are looking at raffling off the ST301 helmet. Now my reason for doing this is I want to raffle this off, buy something better, raffle that off, buy something better, and then eventually get up to raffling off a motorcycle. Can we do it? I don't know, but I'm going to give it a damn good try. The whole reason for starting Riding Reviews is to help you guys. So lots and lots of people have watched my videos and decided they want this bike, this bike, this bike, decided they didn't want these bikes for what I've said, and that they've been able to do maintenance, get insurance, all of this sort of stuff because of the videos that I create for you guys. This channel doesn't bring in a lot of revenue, so the only way that I can make it bigger is by doing stuff like this and getting you guys to subscribe to stay updated to all of my latest content. Now you've got to remember that doing the process of creating these videos, I do it all myself. I haven't got anybody else to help me. As I say, this channel doesn't bring in a massive amount of revenue. It just covers the price of software and stuff like that. So, but I do it as a passion because I know through the people who've walked through the doors at cheapbikesrus that I have helped a lot of people. At the minute I'm at 2.7 million views and nearly 7,500 subscribers, and there has been many thousands of people that this channel has actually helped. But we must adapt, we must try different things. We're going to try the raffle thing. It may work, it may not, but at least I can say that I've tried it. So if you do want this ST301 helmet for £1, go to raffle.co.uk/riding reviews, click the link and buy a ticket. There will also be a link in the description if you want to help and support the channel. But as always, ride safe.